Hi viewers! As requested by several of my subscribers, here we have the 2026 Gold Angel by the Royal Mint. This is the quarter ounce variant, and even in my videos you don't really get to see all this detail even when I upload them in 1080p. So because a few of you have requested I do the microscope video, here we go. And obviously the fields of this coin have a lot of detail in like these they're not indents, they're raised features in the fields there. And obviously there's the spear going all the way down, and the feathers on the wings are all very detailed, as you can see. The halo, and yeah, nice belt, even a detailed belt. If you call it a belt, it's probably called something else back then. Anyway, there we go, on to the dragon. Also very detailed with the scales and the tongue and the teeth. Yes, a very detailed coin, which, like I said, is hard to see. On a quarter ounce version, it's hard to see all this detail, which is why I thought I'd do this short video for you. Now, I know those of you will be wanting to see the inscription, so we'll start there. A quarter ounce fine gold, 4/9 fine, 2026, and I will do the translation for you. I'm not even going to try and pronounce the Latin, but basically this Latin inscription, per crucium, translates to, "By thy cross, save us, O Christ, our Redeemer." And there's Christ and a Redeemer. Obviously all in Latin. So yeah, for those of you who didn't know what the inscription was, that is it. And we will do a quick comparison with the silver. I'm not going to bother with the obverse of this coin because you all know it's the same obverse as the Britannias and the other Royal Mint coins of King Charles. So we won't bother with that because that's pretty boring. But let's do a quick comparison with the silver. Might need to refocus here a little bit because we're on a different metal. Yeah, I think I do need to. There we go. So yeah, obviously the details become clearer with a larger coin. Yeah, it would be nice to have the 1 ounce in gold, but liquidity does concern me, which is why I really stick with quarter ounce or half ounce gold coins. Yeah, I'm not sure how liquid 1 ounce gold coins are here in the UK. You would probably have to sell them to an online dealer, although my local coin shop has had 1 ounce coins before, Krugerrands and Maples. Yeah, I'm guessing he did sell them eventually, but I don't know. At these prices, I think it might be hard. But yeah, as you can see on the 1 ounce silver, all of the details become considerably clearer, don't they? Let's take a look at the dragon. And obviously the gold reflection you're seeing is not it's not toning, it's just the lighting. Well, and 1 ounce fine silver. Anyway, hope you enjoyed seeing those two under the microscope. The gold and silver Georgian dragons. No, not Georgian dragons. I'm doing that one next. As a slip up, the angels. Anyway, thanks for watching, and catch you on the next one. Bye.